Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to find out single element in a sorted array. So this is the problem of lead code, problem number 540. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen with you that everything will be visible to you. And I also have code on GitHub repo. So if you have any doubt, then you can go and check it out. Okay, so this is my GitHub repo mastering DSA Python. Okay, and my username is dear Nidhi. Okay, so here I'm going to write code single element in a sorted array. Okay, so this is our array. So we are going to find out single element inside this array. Okay, so here you can see I have two, that is single. Okay, so we need to write this in with the help of program. Okay, so how can we find out single element by using Python program? Okay, so here I have I, that is 0 and 2. Okay, and numbers of I at index 0, what we have? 1. And at index 2, here what we have at index 2, that is 2. Okay, and I plus 1. So here I plus 1 at 0 index, so 0 plus 1, so it will become 1. So index 1 I have 1, and here after this at index 2, so 2 plus 1 I have index 3. So number at index 3, what we have? 3. You can count here 0, 1, 2, 3. So at index 3 I have 3. Okay, so then we need to compare this index at index 0. So this number at index 0 is equals to this number at index 1. So 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so this condition will fail because I need 1 that is not equals to 1. Okay, so we need to continue. Again, we need to check with this condition. Number at index 2, we have 2. Okay, number at index 3, I have 3. Okay, so this condition will true because 2 is not equals to 3. So it will return 2. Okay, so here you can see 9 n equals to 9. We have 9 element inside this. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and loop range from 0, 8 and 2. Okay, because we have to 8, number, I need to use range from 0, 8 and 2. 2 means here starting index 0, and stop index, sorry, this is for starting index, and this is for stop the index. At index 8 I need to stop our loop. Okay, and we need to took here step 2. Okay, so we need to take difference 2. Okay, so I equals to 0, 2, 4 and 6. So that's why I put here 0. After 0 I need to take 2 here. Okay, because I use step 2. Okay, so here this is the class and this is the function name. I pass numbers, these are the number in list. Okay, and these number in integer. Okay, and here output I also want an integer, and n equals to length of number. Okay, so what I have? Length, that is 9. Okay, if you count these numbers, so its length is now 9. Okay, so I'm going to check pair by using loop. So in range for I in range, I'm going to use start index, that is start from 0, and last index will be n minus 1, that is 8. Okay, and steps 2, I need to take 2 steps. Okay, that we need to create difference. Okay, from after 0 it will be 2, and after 2 it will be 4, because we need to take difference. Okay, difference 2. Okay, so here I'm going to define one condition. If numbers of I, okay, if number at index I is not equals to, by using exclamation, is not equals to numbers of I plus 1. Okay, so here we need to check this condition. This number is equals to this. Yes, this condition will fail. Okay, then we need to check with this condition. I equals to 2, and sorry, numbers at index 2 I have 2, and numbers at index 3 I have 3. So this condition is true. 2 is not equals to 3. Okay, so here I need to do what? Mhm. Wait a minute. I need to remove this space. Okay, so here I need to return. Okay, from here I need to count a space 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here I need to return numbers of I index. Okay, so here you can see here return 2. Okay, so index I equals to 2. Okay, so I got here 2. At index 2, what I have? 0, 1, and 2. So 2. 2 is the single element in the sorted array. So this is our output. If number is not found, it will give you last element is the single one. So numbers in index minus 1. Okay, so oh, I did mistake here. Okay, I forget to use columns. Now everything is fine. Or you can use for print, one line you can add here, print. Here you need to pass solution. This is our class and bracket, and here you need to use single non duplicate. This is a function name. Here inside this function you need to write these numbers. Okay, you need to copy from here. Then you got your output that our prime number is 2. Sorry, single element in a sorted array, that is 2. So you can check here. I have multiple time 1. Okay, here at index 0, at index 1, but 2 is present here single time. Okay, so that's why our output is 2. 3 or 3 also appear multiple time. 4 is also appear multiple time, and 8 also. So here our single element, that is 2. So this is our answer, guys. So first of all you need to use loop. Okay, and you need to define range from starting point. Start from 0. This is for stop, where do you need to stop. Okay, and this is for steps. Okay, so after this you need to compare this one and this one. Okay, and this condition is true, then it will return numbers. Okay, otherwise it will give you last number. Okay, and our output is 2. I hope you got it. Bye, take care.